Hello, Philinvestors. This is Randolph, the Sales Manager of Philinvest. Ito po yung ating walnut model and located dito sa South Peak San Pedro. Southwind San Pedro na siya. Yung Southwind is located sa may South Peak San Pedro. So ito is a walnut model with 3 bedrooms and roof deck with a floor area of 125 square meter. Yung kanyang lot area, minimum cut lot namin is 132. Meron din kaming corner lot 150, 145, 140. It depends on your lot preferred and yung inyong magugustuhan. So this one is 3 bedrooms with roof deck. Ayan, meron na siyang kitchen, naka-vinyl tiles na siya, naka-tiles na yung kanyang living. Ito po, pwede ka mag-put ng extensions dito as a kitchen or maglagay ka ng dirty kitchen. And sa may roof deck, pwede mo na siyang gawing second floor. So, naka-mono construct naman siya.